next participant is
should be off.
Yep.
Holonforth from Switzerland, Lucerne. Is Lucerne?
Okay, I'll try to share my screen. Which one? Not these ones now. Do you see this?
Yeah.
A remark from Anton Arthur? Okay, then let's go. So hi and welcome to Holonforth. It's also in the old ages, this is 89, but I will go to today later. So I'm talking about bringing force, refactoring force into a way where I could better work with it. And I did it by not using screens nor files, but directly using the words. Programming words in the dictionary. So what did I do here? I had seen Smalltalk and I wanted to have force in a browser like Smalltalk. But force is not OO, so what is the structure of force? And dear old Brody told me in Thinking Force, he had this nice little piece. And it is possible to chain force screens in little things. This is not a useful approach. It was a useful approach when you use just one word in a screen. So I actually had a long list of blocks with just one word. And I had got the dictionary. I could edit the dictionary with the screen editor. The second tip, what I needed to know, structure like a book. Screens, as if you have one word per screen, this is true, it's the smallest unit. Lexicons and chapters.
Wolf, I can't see your screen. I see you only talking, but we can't see your screen sharing. Below on the screen, you got a button, a green button, share screen.
Wait a minute. I have
share screen is a green button in my.
No, I have two screens on the Mac.
Okay.
And I've switched the screen.
You still do screen sharing, and then you have to select the appropriate screen.
And it won't give me. Yes, here it is. Okay.
Yeah, now it works.
Thanks.
There it is.
Now I must get you off the picture here. Yes. This away. Yes. And the nice comment of Anton Arthur. Do you see it? Sorry, do you see Anton Arthur's remark? Or don't you?
Yes.
Well, we see abstract
I see your
blocks.
Or do you see not screens, nor files, but words?
Yeah, right.
And Anton Arthur?
And where is his remark? I don't see it.
It's a remark he did in Euroforce 2020 he was talking about false IDEs. And he had said the nice sentence, programmers are pretty married to the editors. So if you tell me to use Holonforth and it doesn't work with Emacs, I am unlikely to use it. Holonforth is what I use and which I want to show. So, but I must ask you if you see it. A browser? No?
Yes, we do.
Thank you. And so in the end, I will show that Holonforth replaces Emacs. So it's doesn't matter. Where are we? Brody's. I mean, this is on my screen, and I hope it's also shared. A piece from Thinking Force. Uli, ist das auf dem Bild?
Ja, Holonforth. Nee, wir sehen die Webseite.
Thinking Force nicht?
Nee, die Webseite nur.
Oh, schade, schade. Okay, then I read. Brody had in a part about composition, and there he wrote, structure your application listing like a book, hierarchically. An application may consist of screens, the smallest unit of force source. And when he puts one word in a screen, then he actually is right. Then put the screens in lexicons and the lexicons in chapters. That's what I did here. So here is a screen, which is a block with one word, and here a screen editor. And I was a freelancer, and I did one project this way. And the day I had this running and did my daily work, I was finished at noon. So I thought this must be a good idea. Now I have something else to put on the screen, and probably you won't see it. So I must go and this is annoying. So I must go back to screen sharing. Here.
Yeah,
So
now we see the Holon system.
this is the present state of Holonforth, which shows Holon code. Sorry. The same system as before, but now it is working on its own source. It is Tickle. These are Tickle files and models. The models are the chapters are chapters. And so what can it do? It can go somewhere. It can show what I visited. It can show revisions. It can, let's go here somewhere. And no, let's go to editing. Browsing is also okay. Show from text. I could go in here. No, that's not good. First of all, it's a database. Forth in a database. In the Holon 86, the database is contained in 2 files. Here, the whole program is contained in one real database, which is contained in Tickle, a part of the Tickle distribution, and creates the whole structure that you see here. Unfortunately, I wanted to share, show the program in so I will have to switch to hello. Do you see too my whole screen? Uli,
Yep, yep. We see both sides, source code and
also visual code.
yes.
Okay, thanks. So, and there's one more. So there is a, yeah, here are the files from Holonforth. And we could go somewhere, for example, set units type. I will go here. And just demonstrate that the files always are fresh, contain the contents of the browser. Little change. No, come on. Load. And now it should be here in visual code. So you see visual code takes care of the files. Going back, it's here. And now please tell me what so I have the full system here. I have several views. Tree view, which can be expanded. I can, that's not good. Browse now, editing. Let's go here, insert, delete. These are always the store text. The nice part of let me go through to a nice place. The nice part is that you have hypertext. If the band page back and so on, I have a history of the last places visited. There is a, what else can I show you? There's a revision log, and the revisions go back till, you can see it here. I'm working on this program since 2011. Always the same database. The if you see here, I can go and look at the words that have been changed at that revision and look up previous versions. So hold on. Whenever I start a new version, it stores the old one, the old page, in the dictionary. So I can really, that's my version of GitHub, of Git. Well, I guess I finish now here and wait for your questions.
Very cool, Wolf. So you use this both for automating and standardizing, say generating a text and publication quality, and then databases, if I followed correctly.
No, this is my way. This Holonforth replaces this for me. It's a real, well, I can do useful things with it. Let me show you this. No, I guess I have it already loaded. Here. Just a little moment. Pity. It takes some time to load again.
Wolf, wir machen jetzt weiter. It's, next is Abraham with Dragonforth.
Yes.
No problem.
Can I ask?
Okay.
Can I quickly ask a question to Wolf before we move on? How do you implement your version control system? Is that a part of TCL, or is it written entirely in Holon?
It's written in Holon. It's just stuff stored in the database.
Okay, and how do you handle that? Is that a cloud-based? Is it going to a website? Do you handle that with PHP in the server, or what?
No, it's in Tickle. It's in the Tickle database.
So it's stored on your local computer's hard disk?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. I was dying to ask you this when I heard last month that you said you've solved the version control problem, and then suddenly you were gone. So I had to wait a month. Yeah, as you know, I'm a Holon fan. So yeah, this looks very good. I think I will steal some ideas from this.
Okay. I hope. Always thought people would steal my Holon 86, the old version from the 80s, 90s, but nobody did.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you, Wolf.
Thanks, Wolf.
Very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So next.